Most people who plank every day for a month see almost no change, not because the exercise doesn't work, because they're doing it wrong from the very first second. Here's the thing. Nobody explains. A plank isn't about how long you can hold it. It's about how much tension your body's actually producing while you hold it. 30 seconds done, right beats 3 minutes done wrong? I tested this myself. 6 minutes total, broken into sets every day for 30 days. And the first few days were rough shaking arms, a core that felt like it was on fire, that mental countdown where every second feels like 10. But something interesting happened around day 5. It wasn't that the shaking stopped because I got stronger. It stopped because my body finally figured out which muscles were supposed to be doing the work. That's the part most people skip past. The early days aren't about strength. They're about your nervous system learning the pattern. By the second week, holding the position stopped being the hard part, keeping my hips from sagging, my lower back from arching, my shoulders from creeping toward my ears. That became the real work. And that's exactly where most plank routines fail. People hold the shape, but they let their form leak, and all that tension goes nowhere. Here's what surprised me the most. Around week 3, my lower back felt noticeably better during the day, not just during workouts. Turns out a properly braced core takes pressure off your spine in ways that show up when you're just sitting, standing, walking. By the end of the month, my midsection felt tighter. Sure, but the bigger change was control, balance, posture, the way my body held itself without thinking about it. If you're going to try this, don't chase the clock. Chase the shake. If your muscles aren't working, the timer doesn't matter. Have you ever held a plank and realized halfway through your form had completely fallen apart? That's normal and it's fixable. As always, if you're dealing with back pain or any injury, check with a professional before pushing into a routine like this. If you want more breakdowns like this, the stuff that actually explains why an exercise works, instead of just telling you to do it, stick around for the next one.